Welcome back to my channel travelav. Hi everyone, this is Vicky from India. Happy to connect with you today. 3-part Zurich tour series with the cruise and Lindt Home of Chocolate includes: first, explore Zurich, Switzerland's cultural and economic hub, walk through the medieval alleys in Old Town of Zurich, and cruise on Lake Zurich. Indulge in the Swiss chocolate at the Lindt Home of Chocolate. In earlier video, I covered the TGV Lyria journey from Paris to Zurich and reviewed the Mercure Zurich City Hotel. For more exciting videos on Switzerland, Paris and the Netherlands, check out my playlist or links in the description. Before we begin the tour, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I arrived at Sihlquai bus station, departure point for the tour. The tour begins at 10 am from Sihlquai bus station, Limmatstrasse 48005, Zurich, Switzerland, located behind the train station in front of Hotel Fred. The tour cost is 80 Swiss franc for adults and 50 Swiss franc for children, which is approximately 5,000 rupees and 8,000 rupees in Indian currency. The tour is booked through the Best of Switzerland Tours and the website links are provided in the description box below. The tour includes one brown sticker and a voucher for the Lake Zurich cruise. This is a fully guided tour by an English-speaking guide. Throughout the tour, guide explain and explore all attractions with us in detail.
My name is Annette. Please tell us if you don't feel comfortable, or if there are problems understanding me, or if the temperature isn't agreeable. And if you could please fasten your seatbelts. There's a law that seatbelts should be fastened. Thank you. On the left, this looks like a medieval castle, doesn't it? It's not medieval and it's not a castle. Our National Museum, built as a museum at the end of the 19th century. It's a historical museum. You can learn a lot about Switzerland there. And in a minute on the left, you'll see the main shopping road, Bahnhofstrasse. Bahnhof is station. Strasse is road. And the main shopping road from the station to the main port. Only built at the end of the 19th century. Here, coming up on the left, the main shopping road, Bahnhofstrasse. On the left. And on the left, Alfred Escher, the most outstanding figure of the town of Zurich of the 19th century. He built the Gotthard train, the connection between the central part and the south, and that unique technical skill. So he founded the Federal School of Technology, and unique capital. So he founded the Credit Suisse, the big bank that doesn't exist anymore now. On the right, the Old Botanical Garden. In it is the Ethnological Museum. The new Botanical Garden is much bigger, in a different area and free of charge, and very worth visiting if you have an interest in botany. Now we're parallel to the main shopping road, which is pedestrian area only. And in a minute we'll see Paradeplatz. Paradeplatz stands for banking, like Wall Street stands for the stock exchange, Paradeplatz stands for banking, and the most famous coffee shop in the whole of the country is there, Schrimli, and if you have a hot chocolate there, you'll never forget it, it's so good, and if you don't think it's good, you won't forget it because of the price. The offices of the Swiss Re, here at the side of the Lake of Zurich, we're having a stop. Yes, if you want to buy water, there's on the bus, and it's a bit more reasonable on the bus. And we leave here again when everyone is back. Don't feel rushed ever. So it's, we drive away. We drive away at 10:40.
This is a half-day Zurich tour and today I am enjoying a climate a little bit rainy. Enjoy a magnificent view of crystal clear Lake Zurich during a photo shop at Limmat River. The picturesque spot known for its serene environment and scenic views. It accommodates numerous sailboats and small craft, offering a tranquil setting for the both local and visitors. If you found this video informative, please like it and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned as the video will take you through even more exciting attractions. In the upcoming next two videos, we will explore the Zurich charming old town and the world famous Lindt Home of Chocolate.
And the town of Zurich is the capital of the state of Zurich. And we have 26 states, and it may seem absurd size-wise, but you can compare our states with the American states, a lot of independence and autonomy within the various states. Each state had its own government, its own school system, its own taxes and traditions. And we have here on the right, you see the main port. And this is where the people with the blue stickers will end their cruise. So all the ones with the blue stickers will end the cruise here, right here. And the ones with the brown stickers, you can come back by boat if you want to. Then you obviously also end here. And then the ones with the blue stickers here on the left. This is Bahnhofstrasse, here on the left. Here on the left, Bahnhofstrasse, and then you walk along Bahnhofstrasse, and then you come to the main station. It's about a 10-minute walk, the people with blue stickers. So this is important that you remember. Here you arrive. This is where you'll also take the boat, where we'll be together. And here, this is Bahnhofstrasse on the left, the street. Here, all the building has gone on in Zurich West. That used to be industry, and then there was industrial crisis, and many of the former factories were turned into clubs, and our theatre also has a big stage there. Here we're having a quick stop for photos. The highest building, you can also see from here the Prime Tower, 126 meters high. So you told me where you're all from, so I realize you're not very impressed, are you? You have higher buildings, but we have higher mountains.
Now at our second stop, we are surrounded by a breathtaking landscape and charming huts, creating a heavenly experience. So we are now surrounded by mesmerizing scenery and cottage-style huts that give off pure paradise vibes.
On the right, the main river, and on the right, the Großmünster, and on the other side, the Fraumünster. Frau is woman. It was a women's church, a women's convent before the Reformation, and in the distance, the Church of St. Peter's. It has the biggest space in Europe, 8.7 meters. On the left, big flea market, always on Saturdays. And this is a place where you have to be very careful of your belongings, flea markets. So it'll be still on when you come back from your cruises or from the chocolate place. This was the first women's swimming place, public swimming place. Still today, women only. On the right, still today, women only. And now we go for our little stroll together.
Stay tuned. In the next video, we will take you through the charming streets of Old Town Zurich and enjoy our relaxing cruise on Lake Zurich. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.